The hosting classroom. It's a bit of a mess right now. Cool shower. Hello. I'm doing a little tour around. Starting in the bathroom.
Trying to FaceTime.
Oh, sneak up a little.
Please do. I'm frozen.
Yo, it's windy.
Oh, what's that? Give me the bucket.
In the pocket. Or we could go around this way. It's a skeleton mouse. Its hands are so big.
It's just me.
Oh, phew. That scared me. You popped out.
Yes.
I wasn't ready for that.
Generally speaking, surviving a violent mutiny is certainly an interesting weekend story.
Mickey Mouse.
Me and Aunt Mary have messed up backs, so the ball is great for that. Hi, Mickey. Oh, Mickey, you're so fine.
Hi, Susie.
I know. Wait.
Uh-oh. Bird attack is going on up here.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh
man.
my god.
I just scared one over. Let's see.
Oh, she's gonna go feed the bird.
Was that you?
Yes. That one.
Stupid. You slipped.
Let's get this party started,
I'm so bloated.
It won't start unless you use the whistle. Whistle.
Oh, hi, it's me,
It's really close. But I named each of them after different Renaissance artists.
I'm making a video. I'm making a video of the ocean. It's overflow.